Today we are going to install the new Turn Offroad Jeep Wrangler TJ one-piece hardtop. This hardtop fits the Jeep TJ, two-door 1997 through 2006 models. Installation time is around 15 to 30 minutes. You'll need 2 friends to help you, with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Let's start by removing the factory OEM top, and to do that, you will need to remove these 3 T40 Torx bolts on each side of the vehicle, as you see here. The bolts are located on top of the bed rail, in the front, middle, and back of the vehicle. Next, turn down the sun visor, and unlatch the front of the hardtop, shown here, on both driver's and passenger's side of the vehicle. Now, grab that extra pair of hands, to help you remove the factory top. Don't forget to open the tailgate, lift the glass, and close the tailgate again to make this a much easier removal process. Next, doing the same thing as you just did to remove the top. Lift the glass before setting the top in place, so it clears the spare tire. Open the tailgate, and let the glass down, as you fit the top in place. Now, as you align the top, check these 2 areas, where the top meets with the vehicle doors. Make sure the rubber seats properly, and is not tucked under the top. Next, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove these 2 factory rear window stops, and set them aside. There is 1 on each side. Again, after removing the window stops, push forward on the top, align the door channels, and rubber seals. Now, as you see here, this end piece of the rubber seal needs to tuck into the top as shown. Then, you are good to begin to mount in place. And, with the top all lined up, you can see how the door jamb lines up now. Now, with the top in place, hand thread in the 3 bolts on each side. You may have to move the top around a little to visually align these holes. After the top is fitted and aligned, tighten the bolts down. As you have seen, this installation has been using backing nuts for the mounting bolts. These backing plates are the factory mounting hardware, and what should be with your old hardtop. Next, adjust the latches by tightening or loosening the catch hook. When you have adjusted it to where the latch snaps in place, with light to moderate pressure, then, set the jam nut, and you are good to go. Now, open the tailgate, close the glass, close the tailgate back up, and you are ready to hit the road. Lastly, One last test for that perfect seal. Open the door, and close a bill between the door and top seal. If you can pull it through with slight resistance, then it's a good seal. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Offroad hardtop install. If you have any questions during your product installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.